Listen, Jamil, I'm too tired now. Let's move towards home.
I'm tired too, but I want to exercise more.
Leave, buddy. I'm going home. I can't exercise more.
Please wait. I'm starting exercise for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will go together.
Leave exercise. Let's have a discussion for a few minutes.
Okay.
Your wife told me you are going America.
Yeah, that's right.
Why are you going?
On trip. The whole company is going there.
MashaAllah, great buddy. When will you go?
On upcoming Sunday.
What's the fees of trip?
It's up to our company.
Nice. For how many days you will go there?
For 1 month.
1 month. It's long period of time. Who will take care of your family?
I have called my father from my village. He will come tomorrow and live here with my family.
Then that's okay. According to current situation of our city, it's not good to leave our family alone here.
Yeah, you are right.
One thing I forgot to tell you.
Which thing?
My son Usman has completed his MBBS. Now he is going to start his house job.
That's great. Congrats, buddy.
Thanks. I'm so happy.
Yeah, I know. For parents, their children's success is more than their own success. You know, our school friend will come tomorrow.
Which friend?
Muzammil?
Muzammil is coming from China.
Yeah, and we both will go to receive him.
Okay,